Hello, Nappers. I'm new to Hearts of Iron 4 and I like war games, so I downloaded it. However, I get tricked by this stupid, hideous, evil looking mustache man. And it's annoying. So, I come up my own way to defeat the German Reich. And then this is also the way I got my no step back and step forward achievement. Now, first, the Focus 3, I'm just gonna summarize it. Oh, by the way, I tend to put my tanks in this side because it's plain and they can penetrate to, they can penetrate Poland easily. Well, I think you guys already know the basics. Well, except me because I'm kinda new, but I kinda know the basics right now. So I'm not gonna explain everything because you guys are more smarter than me. That's for sure. I just want to remind you guys to assign some generals to your divisions because I don't want you guys to be stupid like me. I'm stupid, that's for sure. Oh, by the way, I tend to put some trucks in these supply hubs. I just like it. Hehe. No, I do, and I'm losing some trucks. How the I'm not even gonna question it. Come on, I want Nikolai. Give me Nikolai. Come on, come on. Yes, thank you, baby. Now, I just pray to God that is not gonna die in Purge, okay? I just hope. Because sometimes, you know what? It always happens to me. It's either gonna die in the anti-Soviet Trotsky Center or Black of the Rights and Trotsky. That's the two possibilities where he was gonna die. Which is annoying as. Must come. Oh, thank goodness. Come on. Just put that and that. Ooh. Let the magic begin. I could annex. No, you could annex Poland, but the thing is, you're gonna lose manpower for the garrisons. But if you populate it, you don't need to change the conscription law. As long as you don't get encircled by the German Reich, that's the thing. Just don't get encircled. Don't be an idiot like me. Okay. These three division, no, these three denas, you're gonna go in here before the lake, okay? And then this one, you're gonna go in here, right in here. And then you, Baldman, I'm just gonna put you in here. Okay. That's three division. That's three division on German front. The thing is, this thing is annoying as fuck. So, what I'm about to do is I'm just gonna put them in here and then in here to penetrate. Penetrate. Okay. And then I put my tanks in here. Wait, let me show you. I put my tanks in here because it's plain. It's not forest and then just go through there. Hear me out, guys. This is my offensive division. Now, hear me out. I do not have enough equipment for the German Reich, so this is the thing that I could make. I see a lot of threatening, but we're fine. It's okay. Also, I also like to put some trucks in here. More meals. I want more meals. Meals. I want some meals. I need to give you some, I don't know, some fuel, I think. Turn your back against me, okay? I've given it a thought. I'm gonna make some offensive division because my industry. What now? Why? Why Nikolai Voznensky, etc.? Why does he need to die? Wait. Oh, I didn't check the political paranoia. Oh my, fuck me, bro. Just, Anyway, it is what it is. Be sure to check the paranoia of someone's annoying piece of shit. You know, check this paranoia. You need a therapist. You're such a stupid motherfucker. No, I don't have that 10% buff. I think what I'm about to do, it's either I put 1 or 2 artillery in here, but the thing is, can I afford it? Yeah, I can for sure afford it. I'm gonna have Roxubski, and then I could wait for Sukob, but you know, that I must come, you stupid motherfucker. I am here. I'm just, first of all, I'm just gonna take out this packet first. After I take out this, I'm just gonna head in here. Wait, what the f? They have broke through. Okay, I need Zukov. Why am I calling you my baby? Okay, okay, okay. I'm just gonna get rid of that stupid packet first, and once I've done that, I can have so much. Encircle, 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 encircle. Faster, faster, faster. Ooh, 4 division encircle, baby. Ooh. Okay, I'm kinda paranoid now. It's because of Stalin. There is 6 divisions on that packet, and then 3 of them are mechanized, which is trying to take out my supply hub. You're being annoying. Okay, in here. Please get the Königsberg. Get the Königsberg, please. I just need that. What are you doing, my tanks? Push. I don't care. Push. I want that Königsberg. That is a supply hub, which is annoying. Anyway, back to this topic. This thing is being annoying again. Königsberg! Please, Königsberg! Please! For the love of God, this Königsberg! Oh! Oh! Thank God! Yes, sir! Ooh! How many divisions is that? 2, 6, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is 12 division. Being encircled. Ooh! That felt good. How do you like that, Hitler? How do you... Okay. Hitler is doing his own thing. I need my tank. You know, it is what it is. Ooh, ho, ho, ho. You're doomed. You are doomed, Hitler. Why? Why are you doomed? Because I'm gonna do something beautiful encirclement. Man, all of my divisions are available right now. Okay, first of all, Hitler has a division of 61. And then I have a division of how many? 1.5 bigger than him? Hindi. 2 times bigger than him. Oh, that's good. I think I'm gonna do some encirclement first, and then after that, I'm just gonna run through the entire German Reich. Okay. Make this shit busy. Make him busy. Okay, and then do this. And then make him busy too. So please make him busy. Please. Oh. You're dead. You're dead to me, Hitler. You're dead to me. You are dead to me. 100%. No supply. I don't give a fuck. You have no supply. Go ask your mama. No supply. Wah. Oh, 3 division. Okay, 3 division. Okay. Get me this 5. Get. Oh, I got 5 division. 1 just got annihilated. But ooh. Come on. It's either I do something in the south or I just gonna keep rolling towards Berlin. I needed that supply hub. I'm gonna put my tank division in here just for defense. And then I'm gonna have my guys in here. Okay, I want to get the Breslau. And then after I encircle it, ooh, that's a ton of division in the south. Oh. Ooh. I need that supply hub. Please. Ooh. Why do you have to get in my way? But ooh. Whew. I need to encircle them. I need to encircle them. How many divisions is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 18, 19, 20 division. Okay. I'm just going to make this hole a little bit smaller. Ayun. Smaller hole. Come on. I want that small hole. Okay, he's not doing on the top, but ooh, hoo, hoo. So many division. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Oof, it's getting smaller. It's getting smaller. Finally, the politicians are gone. They're like doing a campaign something. I'm gonna push. Wait, how many division does German Reich? 27. I'm just gonna have some butter bread bubbles, but you know, they can't hold it that much long. Because I don't have any supply on top. That's why I'm having a lot of red bubble. I'm actually learning Russians right now. Like, I don't know if I pronounce it correctly, but Soviet is how I pronounce the Soviet. Like, Soviet. Does that sound like more Russian? I don't think so. I gotta learn Russian more. I gotta give it some time. Also, in Russian alphabet, I'm still learning every alphabet because I still don't memorize it. But once I memorize the Russian alphabet, I could read the Russian alphabet and I could probably speak a little bit. Still gotta learn more. It's kind of fun. I want to visit the motherland. Just want to see some tanks like the fall of Berlin. I just want to see some T-34, IS-2, something like that. You know, it's kind of fun. Anyway, this is what I'm talking about. If you chose to annex the Poland, you're gonna lose a lot of manpower. But right now, I didn't annex it. So right now, I'm in volunteer. No, it's volunteer. It's volunteer only. Oh, in the German Reich. Oh, how's that? How's that feel, huh? How's that feel? That's how I do it. That's how I defeat German Reich. It's pretty easy. Now, I don't want to puppet it because once I puppet it, it's useless. So I want its industry. I'm gonna keep it for myself. Confirm and next hit. At Soviet Union and Stalin. What is that? Anyway, in this, the allies is gonna be super duper annoying to you. You cannot declare anyone, even in Finland. You just cannot do the focus tree of Finland. This. Secure Leningrad. No, because I'm kinda new, but this is just my opinion. If I were you, I would just build my industry and then you can just focus on the Middle East or you can focus on the Asia. I've never done it before, but reconcile with Japan? I've tried puppeting Japan before, but Japan is pretty weak. So yeah. Anyway, the rest of the decisions is now all on your hands. It's pretty hard to speak English. It's my second language, okay? And that's all, Nappers. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, Nappers Steepers. Bye-bye.